not sure. I'm not sure. Everybody on the internet's a hypocrite. I'm still here working, putting up with it. Are the clicks and views really worth this shit? I'm really not sure what the hell I'm doing. The cars and people that I touch, I ruin. Get through the week and now we're a day. Just 4 days, then it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Narcissistic enemy. I'm the only friend to me. I'm not sure. Narcissistic enemy. I'm the only friend to me. I'm not sure. Narcissistic enemy. Why won't you just let me be? I'm just badchad. I'm just me. Step inside my life to see my dreams. Step inside my head, my plans and schemes, and notice what I want to be. Letting my brain speak to me. My brain speaks to me. Why did you leave? Why did you go away? Is it the stupid shit that I say every day? Is it the bondo or the stick on chrome? Is it that I don't know how to use a phone? I'm not sure. No doubt in my mind. Take a look at my life. It's a bow time. Take a look at my life. It's a bow tie. And the reason being is I'm not sure, but I keep trying every day, using fanboys to keep haters at bay. I'm not sure, but I keep trying every day, using fanboys to keep haters at bay. I'm not sure, but Emily's here. Thank God above, I've got someone near. Chadbad and the lads, what happened there? Got my son back, then he disappeared. All the time pretending that I don't care. Waking up each day a new nightmare. I'm not sure, no doubt in my mind. Better figure it out before I run out of time. Narcissistic enemy. I'm the only friend to me. I'm not sure. Narcissistic enemy. I'm the only friend to me. I'm not sure. Narcissistic enemy. Why won't you just let me be? I'm just badchad. I'm just me. I'm just me. I'm just me. And my brain talks to me. My brain talks to me. And the reason being I'm badchad. Just let me be.
I'm not sure. What am I sure of? I think it's going to make one awesome car. It's going to make an awesome car. Like, it's really coming together. It makes me smile, actually. When I can sit over here and come out at nighttime, I can sit here and, you know, have my Owens beer after a day's work. I sure am proud to look at that and say, wow, it's going to be quite a car. And I built it. They're all over the place. Ugh.
There.
Gross. Let's see if it turn over and start.
There is a flood warning in place tonight for the southeast.
Nope.
No gas coming up.
Oh.
What is that you're putting in it?
Brake cleaner. Brake cleaner. I should have gas. It might get it to fire.
Yeah, that worked good.